Hi guys, what is poppin'? My blush is popping. Anyway, today is Monday and as a nursing student, may duty po tayo. So come with... Okay guys, so I'm with Angela and we're now going to the hospital. Yes. Hey guys, so it's now Tuesday, second day of our duty. And we weren't able to vlog last night. Because we were so tired na. So we're so busy last night. Yeah. So hopefully later we can vlog. Let's see. Yay! Thank you, Bao.
Hey guys, so it's Thursday today and I wasn't able to vlog yesterday because it was my last day. So yeah, we're still here at Mami's Kapihan and I'm with Angela still.
Update, it's 6:10 already and we're going home now. It's a productive day naman, right? Yes. Hey guys, so today is Saturday and we're going to SM because magpapa-thread kami and may meet up ako. So let's go. Here at SM na. So first meet up done. 2 more to go. We're planning to eat muna because the other one's not yet here. So guys, update. So tapos na kami kumain and then meet up number 2 done. We're on our way to meet up number 3. Update. Knocks. Eyebrows are threaded na. Anyway, eyebrows done, meetups done. We're going to Coco if ever meron. I didn't check pa. I'm not sure. So, yeah, after that, we're gonna go home na. We got the goods. Craving satisfied. We decided na umuwi na. Okay, kasi wala na tayong pera. Okay na to. Thanks so much. Bye. Okay, bye. Hey guys, so this is the end of the video. Parang ano na siya, weekly vlog with Angela.
Yes. Actually, we ended our week feeling blessed.
It's so short because what? There are days na I cannot vlog and I don't want to vlog because it's my rest day. So yun, parang 5 minutes lang to or less. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog.
Say hi vlog.
Lumipad na siya. Lumipad na yung...
Bye!